Alright, Ted, here's a 118 427 small block Ford. Description of this combination. It's got a set of our as-cast heads, got the Pro-Am manifold, Holley Terminator X fuel management, custom grind hydraulic roller, got the front end on it, front sump oil pan. Going to make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Already 3,400, 484 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque 415, peaks horsepower 517, rated 500, so everything's good. What we'll do is make sure to pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. I'll show you a couple other things. When you see your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have an engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. If you need any questions, flip it over. It's got a QR code. That'll take you some more tech stuff. So have a great day.